Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick video to talk about the Patch Tuesday updates. Today is the second Tuesday of the month of September, and every second Tuesday of the month is the Patch Tuesday security updates issued by Microsoft. They are issued for Windows 7, Windows 8.1, several versions of Windows 10, and also if you use Microsoft Office, you have updates for security for Office. It comes in the form of three updates. One is the .NET Framework update. That one has also some security flaws that are fixed in there. There's a Adobe Flash Player update. We hadn't seen one of these for a little while. Well, now this month we do get a security update, and it's a critical flaw. So that means that it's either already exploited by bad guys or will be as soon as it's discovered. And as of the Cumulative update, that has several fixes. In total, it's 79 security flaws, and out of that, there's 17 critical security flaws. Critical meaning that they are already exploited by bad guys, or will be because of the nature of how easy it is. Several of these updates, these flaws, including some critical flaws, were discovered by Google's Project Zero, that actually informed Microsoft of some security flaws that were in Windows. So update your machines. It's important to do so. If you had some problems with the last cumulative update that gave you a high CPU usage on May 2019 update, that is fixed. There's a bug fix for that in this update, so things should be back to normal on that also. If you enjoy videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.